Learning web development is only possible with 100% interest and an active mind. Hi. Welcome to Codezlux. Today we will start our web development course. And in this course I will clear out some introduction to web development. To learn web development you must know the basic building blocks of that, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the markup language in which you can write some specific tags to express the idea. CSS is the cascading style sheet where you can style the markup tags and make it beautiful. To make the website interactive and user-friendly you will learn the basics of JavaScript. JavaScript is the language through which you can add some dynamic effects to the website. We will use one of the online and really useful code editors throughout this session, which is CodePen.io. Let's write some code here to show you how to use this online tool for practicing web development. To style the markup tags we will write some CSS code. Let's create a button to make the website interactive. JavaScript enabled the interactivity of the website. So that's all about today's lecture. In the next lecture, I will give you some useful resources for web development. Stay tuned. I will be right back.